Okay, here we are at Kanen Coffee. We've just done a Pavoni tune-up on this machine. Up in the piston head here, we removed the piston and we changed these gaskets here that are on the piston head. We also cleaned the gasket, which is around the basket. Check that everything's going nice and smooth and put in some more lubrication in there to make sure it runs nicely, and then put everything back together again. On the back steam handle here, we replace them with a little gasket like this one. This one gets changed out, and then we swap out the sight glass, the glass inside, and give it a new plastic outer coating as well. Swap out the gaskets here and here, make sure that's all nice and sealed. Okay, and now we're just running a little test shot. Let's have a go. Tricks to do with one hand. There we go, the water's pouring out. All good. Okay, and that's our test shot done.